Dostbin Twin Premium for societies, 20 to 50 flats. Still paying to throw away your kitchen waste? What if your waste could become valuable compost instead? Introducing Dostbin. Smart, odor-free composting for modern homes and communities. Motorized, easy to use, eco-friendly. Compost made in days. Stop dumping gold. Start composting with Dostbin today.
Hello everyone, we have brought Dostbin Twin Composter for bulk waste generator. It comes with 2 bins and it supports 20 household waste with one Dostbin Twin Composter. For more than that, multiple Dostbin Twin Composter need to be brought. It comes with 2 bins, as when you start composting with it, you get your starter accessories which comes with coco peat brick, charcoal and remix powder. Coco peat brick has to be put in its designated section. Put water to expand into coco peat powder. Odor absorber is also to be put in perforated section. Then before starting the composting, you need to empty the remix powder, half of it into the hopper. Now you can start adding your waste. Every time you add your waste, you should add a part of coco peat powder, maybe 3 to 4 handful. Because more waste is there, you need to add more coco peat powder in this case. You can keep on adding the waste and coco peat powder till your stage 1 full. As it gets full, you need to shift it to stage 2. Now twin composter comes with higher powered motor so that it can aerate the heavier pile of compost, heavier pile of the waste along with the coco peat powder. You keep on adding your waste and your bin 1 fills up. Then you come to bin 2. But your bin 1 continuously will be aerating the pile with its digest operation when you are filling the second bin. Your bin 1 is in standby mode, but it aerates every day. Your bin 2 will be taking your fresh waste now. By the time your bin 2 is full in the same way, your bin 1 would have composted the waste which was put in it 10 days back. When you harvest your bin 1, it will be available for fresh waste and your bin 2 will be carrying out your aeration operation for the second pile. This is how bin 1 and bin 2 alternatively utilize its standing time, its aeration operation to do natural aerobic composting using Dostbin Twin Composter. When you are composting your waste, you get lot of leachate liquid fertilizer. You need to ensure that the leachate channel is available and is kept properly so that the leachate extraction comes out of it. Behind the machine, leachate section need to be observed and ensure that leachate flow happens properly. It has to be collected in any disposable container and it has to be added with 1:15 ratio water and can be used for your plant. If you don't want it, you can simply drain it away. So Dostbin Twin Composter is different from Dostbin Premium mainly in 2 ways. One, it has higher powered motors to manage bulk waste. Second, in place of electronic touch button, we have provided electrical switch because every time 3-minute cycle may not be sufficient for bulk waste generator. So we are bringing switch so that more control is there in operator's hand and the motor will run continuously until and unless the operator stops it. So Dostbin Twin Composter electrical control comes with these 2 switches which has 3 positions, top, middle and bottom. So at any time the switch has to be in the middle position only. That is when the blower only will be running. You can hear the sound of the blower. When you switch on the machine and both the buttons are in its middle position, then it is only blower is operating. Now for the feed button, when you are feeding the waste, you can switch it on and motor starts running. Now you can keep on adding the waste and coco peat powder alternatively. It will keep on rotating your blades in one direction. If you feel that some waste is getting stuck in one direction and it will be better to change the direction of the blades, you can do so by bringing this switch to the other position. When you bring it to other position, blade starts moving in the other direction. This way you can run the shredder motor maybe up to 6 to 8 minutes. After you want to use it for more than 8 minutes, you can give it a pause, give it rest, and then you can again start for second phase of shredder motor. Once your waste has gone fully in, you can bring it to the middle position and then the shredder motor switches off. For digest operation, digest is a very important operation in Dostbin composters. It aerates your pile by giving it more air and oxygen, and it actually helps in faster optimized odorless composting. So it is very important that daily at least 2 times the pile is aerated. How do we do that? It is done with digest button. It digests your waste. It converts it to compost. So in this case also, if you press in one direction, the digest down, the second stage motor will be running. This is high powered motor. So it will be aerating your pile. And maybe after 2 minutes, you can change the direction by switching it up. And it will rotate the motor in the other direction. So this will help the pile to get aerated properly. We have a blower connected in the machine which runs when both are in 0 position. So this helps to control your piles properly. At any time, both the motors should not be switched on. If it is switched on, it can make your power supply go faulty. So it is strongly recommended that you should not switch on both the motors at the same time. At a time, either one only should be switched on. And when machine is not in use, you have to switch off the main supply. You cannot keep it running because if it is on, the blower will be running. And continuous blower running, it may go bad. So that is why machines should be switched off after use. The leachate extraction and all will still happen because of the internal design of the machine.